Okay, so we're on day 2 now. I just stripped down to install the new new speakers into the car. I got the driver's seat out last night and stuck it on the outside of the car, but it's in the garage but outside. So today I thought I'm going to continue with the strip down, get the carpet up so I can reroute all the wiring, and yeah, I'm going to carry on showing you guys what I'm doing. So let's crack on. To get this bit out now, the centre console, when you lift the arm up, there's 3 8mm bolts in the bottom, 1 Phillips screw underneath the cigarette tray, and in the side panels there's 2 Phillips there as well. So I've undone these, undone this one, I've just got the one to do on the side, and that's this out. So I'm going to crack on. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 8mm down there. Under here, that's where your screw is. Okay, as you can see, when you get this out, the centre part out, you need to have the handbrake right up, push this forward and undo half the centre piece. This is where the 3 8mm bolts sit. You've got a screw here, Phillips, and 2 at the side. Take the top bit off as you see, and that's it. Before doing any work, disconnect the ground. Okay, so now I've disconnected the earth from up front. I've got all the parts out. I've got access to the back of the stereo. I can run the new RCA cable. I've got this one linked below if you want to get the same one as me. As with anything else I use, all the description will be down below. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the carpet up on the driver's side, feed the cable through it, and I'll show you how to do that. So you need to put this piece, this is the loom that goes to the bottom of the seat. Get your stereo out, plug your RCA cables into the back, and you want to run them down alongside, goes down by the plastic air duct. Okay. Okay, so with your new RCA cable, okay, what I'm going to do is the same as what I've done on this one. I'll run it, I'll show you that. Under that side, this side of the stereo, you've got the 2 air vents here. I've tucked it underneath there, along. I've got to pull this one through a bit more, this is for the other sub. You've got your petrol lever here. What I do, where I put my 10mm is with a 10mm socket. I've undone mine, just so you can just lever it out of the way. Okay, so when you get your radio out, okay, you're locating the RCAs on the back. It doesn't, with the amp I've got, it doesn't matter where I plug these in, as long as it goes to the front or the rear. So I'm going to go for the front speakers because the amp I've got can separate 4 channels. So I'm going to go straight for the front. So let's unplug, so give me a bit more room. So the front is in the middle here, so we're going to go front there and there. So I'm tucking the wire, the RCA, so it comes out down the side of here. Okay, so I can get my hands up. Leave yourself a little bit of cable, so if you need to get it out, you can do. As I said, make sure you've got everything you need plugged in the right places before you tuck it all back in. I'm just going to sit mine like that, as I'm just doing a test fit. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to run it under the carpet, like the previous wiring. We're tucking it down by the duct, the air duct that comes to the back of the seat, you know, under the seat for the rear. So you lift up the carpet, because you've got it all removed, it makes the job easier. Like you see. You get your other ends of your RCA, tuck them where the other ones have gone. Okay, then what we're going to do is lift the carpet up. You've got the carpet up with all the wiring that way. This is the duct that I was on about. I've got all my other wiring running along it. So you just tuck it underneath and feed it in the same way. Okay, so now you've done all that under this section here of the duct, you need to come through this part here. This is where your seats bolt into. I've removed my fuel pump wire just so I give it a bit more leverage to move the wiring through. Now we need to feed it under here with the other cable. Look, just out the way. See, run it. Literally run it in parallel with the rest of the cable. What you've done from the last amp. Then again with a cable tie, just to keep things neat. So now you've run your cable, you need to now tuck it up underneath the back seat, which goes under here, and it comes out the other side and tucks up into the boot. Trust me when I say this, it's not easy at this angle because I'm just trying to catch it so you can see what I'm actually doing. So now I'm going to cable tie this to the other one. Okay, so once you've fished it under here and up, you go under the seat, pull the seat down by pushing this button on top and pull up the back here. Okay, see there's my sub and amp for the subwoofer. This is all going to change this install, and there's all the wiring there. Okay, so as you see from this video, I run the RCA cables from the stock stereo to the boot. What you can do at the same time, you can, if you're running aftermarket speakers running from the amp, you can actually run the speaker wire the same route as you do with the RCA cable. I will be making a video on that, but the principle, the basic of it is the same thing. So, you know, while you're running the RCA cables, leave everything up and just literally run some speaker wiring alongside it. I'll show you another quick video at some point what wiring you need to tap into for these on the back of the stock stereo. I will eventually post a link somewhere along the top in the cards. So I hope this video weren't too boring. Hope it was okay. If it was, hit the subscribe button down here and give us a thumbs up. So I know some of you guys appreciate the advice I give, and I appreciate all the support you guys give. So let's see you soon. Cheers for watching.